Look at all of the presents that your aunties gave you. Can you say, thank you, Maggie? Thank you, Amanda. I don't know which ones I want to wear. Whoa. Those are your Christmas ones. You trying to put it on? Do you want me to help you? Max, go on. Go on. Do you want me to help you? Come here. I'll help you. Oh, good job. Look at that silly girl. Max thinks it's funny. Where's Eliza? Oh, you got crazy hair. What else? Look at all of these toys, Maximus. Oh, hello. Do you want some help? Okay. Can you say Maggie?
No.
Can you say it again? Can you say Maggie?
No.
Maggie?
No.
And Manda?
No.
Can you say love you?